Hi families! Today for our small group, it's called Lining It Up, and we're focusing on measuring and comparing objects. For this activity, you will need different lengths of yarn. We did send them home in one of the study bags previously. If you still have those different lengths of yarn, please get them out. If not, you can use whatever you have at home that are different lengths. You can cut different lengths of paper, or if you have your own yarn, you can use that as well, as long as they're different lengths so that we can put them in order from smallest to longest, or shortest to longest. Today we're focusing on language as well as comparing and measuring. So we want to incorporate the words long, longer, and longest, and short, shorter, and shortest, and small, medium, and large. So you're going to be using those words when you're working with your child and having them to also use those words as you are comparing the lengths of the yarn. So as you see here, I have different lengths of yarn, friends. And can you help me to play a game and put them in order from shortest, little bit small, shortest to longest. And you can use your hands or your fingers to do that too. Shortest, longest. Good job. All right, so what do you think? Which one of these pieces of yarn is the shortest? Just by looking. You said this one, you're right. So we're going to put them in order. So which one do you think is the second shortest? Which one do you think is a little bit longer than this one? Is it this one or this one? Good. This one is longer than this one. This one is short. This one is longer. Okay, which one is just a little bit longer than that one? If you said this one, you're right. So far, this is the smallest. This one is a little bit longer, and this one is a little bit longer than that one. All right, which one's next? Oh, it looks like this one is a little bit longer. Which one of these do you think is longer? They're very close in length. You're right, this one does seem to be a little bit longer. And this one is the longest. Good job. So you helped me to sort them from shortest to longest. And this is small. And the one in the middle is medium. And the one at the end is large. Good job, everybody. Now that we measured and compared length, and we put our yarn in order, how else can we measure our yarn? Anyone have any ideas? Think about it. If you said we can use measuring tape, you're right. If you have measuring tape at home, you can add to this activity by measuring with your measuring tape. And families, you can talk about the numbers on the measuring tape, and you can talk about inches and centimeters, and introduce measuring with measuring tape. So let's see, how long is my longest piece of yarn? How many inches? Hold on. Let me go number 1. There we go. All the way to, what number is this one? If you said 11, you're right. My longest piece of yarn is 11 inches long. Wow, that is super long. And how long is my shortest piece of yarn? Looks like about 1.5 inches. Not quite 2 inches. It's right in the middle of 1 and 2 inches. So that's a half. So the shortest one is 1.5 inches long. Great job, everybody. So families, you can use the measuring tape and talk about inches and centimeters and compare numbers and identify numbers with this activity. You can also use non-standard measuring, such as paper clips. You can use a non-standard type of measurement, such as paper clips, or you can use Legos or anything you have. And you can have your child line them up and measure the length of the string using non-standard measurement and standard measurement, such as the measuring tape. All right, everybody, have fun with this activity. You are measuring, comparing, identifying numbers, talking about ways to measure, standard and non-standard measurement. All right, everybody, have fun, and we'll see you next time.